Ano mang bagay, yung may sa tinuto. Sa
Walang kabaluhaw.
diba, 2023, na mag-upisa ako yung yung chemo, it's okay. I respect. So, na tarang mo, bamukha ko na alala ko din na ayaw ko sa pastor, pero ipakita ko yung chemo na iba akong pastor na nahambal mo. So, dahil today nga, ipakita ko pinupisa sa karotong Sunday. Kung mabigay mo na ba natin, again, hawiyak man ako, pero siguro kahit tayo mo tayo siguro dito. Naka-okay na kimo. Some start day na naligaw.
Still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, spend the years ordinary song.
Pero,
Light to the world that you see. All the years
pero wag kang bigay tayo mo.
Ang pamangkot nito isa, no? Okay lang, mama, start.
So yun. Salamat
Yay!
sa
All these years been so absurd. And adhere to this ordinary song.
But deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I've been waiting here for you. If you have time, just let I'm here to this ordinary song. But deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I've been waiting here for you. You have time. Listen and hear to this ordinary song.
Wala bang dance dyan? Very strong. Good job. You've done your part. You're so professional.
Guys, next song, may bukas pa. May bukas pa.
Kaya ang duty ko ngayon
May bukas pa sa iyo.
may part ko pa ito, may part ko. Okay, thank you sa inyo ah.
Manche. Tuloy ako.
What is your feelings? Are you feeling right now? I'm feeling so bad.
Bye guys. Bye-bye guys.